Welcome to Reviews Inside TV. Today we're taking a closer look at the MasterChef Glass Blender, a multifunctional tool that promises to elevate your kitchen experience. This official MasterChef product aims to deliver high-performance blending for a variety of tasks, from smoothies and milkshakes to soups, sauces, and even margaritas. So let's explore whether this kitchen gadget lives up to the expectations. At the core of the MasterChef Glass Blender is its professional-grade stainless steel blades. These blades are designed to handle everything from frozen fruit and ice cubes to harder ingredients like nuts or fibrous vegetables. With a 33-oz capacity, it's large enough to whip up smoothies for multiple people or prepare a generous batch of soup. The blender features 2 speed settings, plus a pulse function, providing flexibility in the texture of your blends, whether you prefer something smooth or with a bit of chunkiness. The included 30ml measuring cup is a nice touch, making it easy to add ingredients while blending without any mess. And for easy cleanup, the stainless steel blades and other parts are removable and dishwasher safe. I've spent some time testing this blender in real-world situations, and I've been pretty impressed with its performance. First up, I made a fruit smoothie, throwing in frozen berries, banana, and a few ice cubes. Using the higher speed setting, it blitzed everything into a perfectly smooth texture in just under 30 seconds. The pulse function came in handy when I wanted to give my smoothie a bit of texture, so it really lives up to its multifunction promise. Next, I tried making a soup with roasted vegetables. The blender's ability to handle both soft and hard ingredients was put to the test, and it did a solid job of pureeing everything into a creamy consistency. No lumps, no fuss. However, while it does a great job with lighter tasks like smoothies and sauces, the blender does struggle a bit with larger, harder ingredients. If you're attempting to blend something dense or fibrous, you may need to pulse multiple times to get the desired result, which could slow down the process a little. Also, while the blender isn't exactly heavy, I found that it requires a steady hand when using it on the higher speed setting, as it tends to vibrate more than I would like. When it comes to the pros of the MasterChef Glass Blender, its biggest selling points are undoubtedly its stainless steel blades, ease of use, and the versatility offered by the 2 speed settings and pulse function. It's quick to set up and very easy to clean with removable parts that are dishwasher safe. Plus, the addition of the 30ml measuring cup is a small but practical feature that makes the blending process smoother. The blender also feels sturdy and reliable for everyday use, and it doesn't take up much counter space. On the flip side, some of the cons include its struggle with harder ingredients. While it can handle basic blending tasks well, pushing it too far with thicker, more challenging mixtures may lead to uneven results or extra work. The vibration at higher speeds can also be a little off-putting, especially when you're in a hurry. Additionally, the 33-oz capacity might not be enough for larger families or people who frequently blend big batches. When it comes to value for money, the MasterChef Glass Blender seems like a fair investment, especially for those who need an affordable yet reliable option for basic blending needs. At its price point, it competes well with other budget blenders in the market, offering professional-grade performance without the hefty price tag. However, if you regularly blend larger quantities or tough ingredients, you may want to consider a more powerful blender. For a similar price, there are blenders with higher wattage, but they might not have the same level of versatility or design quality. Comparing this blender to others on the market, products like the NutriBullet or Ninja blenders offer similar performance for roughly the same price. However, what sets the MasterChef Glass Blender apart is its official association with the popular TV series, adding a bit of flair to your kitchen setup. It's a solid, dependable choice for light blending, smoothies, and sauces, but it might not be the best fit if you're looking for something to tackle more demanding tasks on a daily basis. In terms of build quality, the MasterChef Glass Blender feels sturdy and well-constructed. The glass jug is robust, and the stainless steel blades should hold up over time with regular use. The removable parts for easy cleaning are a real plus, although long-term durability, particularly with the motor, will depend on how frequently you use it. Since there's not much long-term data available on this specific model, it's hard to speak definitively, but MasterChef's reputation for quality products should give some reassurance. As for customer support, I haven't had to reach out for assistance, but MasterChef is generally known for its reliable customer service in the kitchen appliance sector. In the event you do run into an issue, it's likely that you'll get the help you need. In conclusion, the MasterChef Glass Blender is a reliable, straightforward product that serves its purpose well for everyday blending tasks. It's perfect for smoothies, milkshakes, sauces, and soups, but may fall short when it comes to tougher tasks. If you're in the market for a solid, budget-friendly blender with professional-grade blades and an easy cleanup process, this might be a good option. However, if you regularly need to handle harder ingredients or larger batches, it may not fully meet your needs. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell icon so you don't miss out on our future reviews. Your support helps us bring you more in-depth content like this. Thanks for watching Reviewsinside.tv. If you've used the MasterChef Glass Blender, we'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Any questions or experiences you want to share? Drop them down there. Until next time, keep blending those smoothies and shaking up those margaritas.